Luxury is no longer defined by legacy, it's defined by disruption. But what if a newcomer is quietly outperforming the giants? Could Genesis actually be more luxurious than Lexus? Tonight, we uncover a battle no one expected, and a truth the industry can't ignore. Welcome to Next Generation Cars, where innovation meets emotion, and every machine tells a deeper story. For decades, luxury meant one thing: heritage. Brands like Lexus built their identity on precision, reliability, and quiet excellence. They didn't need to shout, they simply delivered. Then came Genesis, a brand born not from history, but from ambition. In just a few years, it challenged expectations, disrupted perceptions, and entered a space many thought was untouchable. But here's the tension: can a newcomer truly outperform a master of refinement? And now, the answer takes shape. The 2027 Genesis GV70 arrives not as a challenger, but as a statement. Bold, confident, and unapologetically premium. Genesis doesn't follow design trends. It defines its own language. The signature dual-line lighting cuts through darkness like a blade. The crest grille stands tall, elegant, yet assertive. Compared to older models, the GV70 feels more sculpted, more deliberate, like every line has a purpose. And unlike traditional luxury, this design doesn't whisper, it captivates. But design alone doesn't win a luxury war. Technology decides the future. The GV70 introduces advanced hybrid and electrified systems, blending power with efficiency. Three things stand out: seamless power delivery, intelligent driver assistance, and a digital ecosystem that feels alive. For years, Lexus owned the reputation of reliability. Now, Genesis challenges something deeper: experience. Step inside, and everything changes. This is where Genesis makes its boldest move. The cabin feels like a fusion of technology and art: soft materials, ambient lighting, and a cockpit designed around the driver. And here's the twist: what was once Lexus' strongest advantage, comfort, now has a serious rival. In the United States, the luxury SUV market is evolving fast. Genesis is gaining attention not just for price, but for value. And here's the reality: Lexus still leads in trust and long-term reliability, but Genesis is winning something equally powerful: first impressions. The 2027 GV70 isn't just another luxury SUV. It's a signal that the future of luxury isn't about history, it's about evolution. And maybe, just maybe, true luxury isn't about where you come from, but how boldly you move forward. So tell us, is Genesis now more luxurious than Lexus? Join the conversation below, and subscribe to Next Generation Cars for more cinematic automotive stories.